Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Diya's Culinary. Today I am going to make Thai veg salad. These are the ingredients for this salad. We need 1 cup of papaya cut into julienne, 1 cup carrot cut into julienne, spring onion chopped into small, tomatoes 1 medium, soya sauce 1 teaspoon, fresh red chillies 2 numbers, tamarind pulp 1 teaspoon, peanuts 2 tablespoons, garlic 5 to 6 cloves, brown sugar 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, and lettuce leaves and salt. Crush the red chillies. Then garlic, peanut, sugar, coarsely, one by one. Then add soya sauce, lemon juice and tamarind pulp and mix it. In a bowl, add papaya, carrot, tomatoes, spring onion, 1 tablespoon peanuts, salt and mix thoroughly. Add the prepared seasoning on the salad and mix very well. In this salad, we take a serving bowl and arrange the lettuce leaves in a single layer. And then we add the salad evenly. It's very tasty salad and healthy too. Now your salad is ready. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye.